how to add the voiceover inside Capcut. So open your Capcut project and we want to click on this little icon, which is the voiceover. And now you have to set up your voiceover. So choose here your input device. I got here the MacBook. Also you can set up the volume. I'm gonna lower it. You can reduce the echo. I also prefer to mute project. And also if you got the pro version, you can enhance voice. So if you are ready, click on this red button. And now you are recording the voiceover to your project. When you are finished, click this option. And if you close the voiceover, my recorder voiceover is right here. So if you play it, and now you are recording the voiceover to your... So it's the exact voiceover which I recorded. If you click on this audio, you can customize the volume and customize the audio. So this is how you can add the voiceover inside the Capcut. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.